Cat. This is a cat. C for cat. Many people keep cat as a pet. Cat kills and eats rats. Dog. This is a dog. D for dog. Dog is man's best friend. Dog protects our home.
Cow. This is a cow. C for cow. Cow gives us milk. We should drink milk every day. Goat. This is a goat. G for goat. We get milk and meat from goats. Elephant. This is an elephant. E for elephant. Elephant is the largest living animal on land. Monkey. This is a monkey. M for monkey. Monkeys eat fruits and leaves. They lie on a tree with their family. Horse. This is a horse. H for horse. Horses run very fast. Sheep. This is a sheep. S for sheep. We get meat and wool from the sheep. Pig. This is a pig. P for pig. We get meat from pigs. Donkey. This is a donkey. D for donkey. Donkeys help us by carrying back a lot of load on their back. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. R for rabbit. A rabbit eats carrot, leaves and grass. They run very fast. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. A for giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus spend most of its time inside the water. Zebra. This is a zebra. Z for zebra. A zebra has black and white stripes all over body. Camel. This is a camel. C for camel. A camel is called as ship of the desert.